Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today kita masuk dengan second topic, which is decision theory. So first, as an introduction, decision theory is an analytic technique to identify the optimal decision with several alternative and risk or uncertain pattern of future event. So in this case, to get our aim is optimal decision based on several alternative, meaning that decision theory is used for how we analyze several alternative. At the end of the day, we would like to get an optimal decision as our final decision. So there is a difference between good and bad decision. Okay, so let's say the first one is good decision. So good decision is one of that based on logic, considers all available data and possible alternative, applied quantitative approach. While for the bad decision is not based on logic, doesn't use all available information, does not consider all alternative, and does not employ appropriate quantitative technique. So in life, we focus on to make a good decision. Sebab kita nak kurangkan regret. At the end of the day, kita nak try to minimize the risk of regret. So that's why we have to make a decision based on logic. We have to consider all available data or factors and all possible alternative or option and try to implement quantitative approach. At the end of the day, we can justify the best decision based on analysis. Okay, there is 6 steps in decision theory. The first one, we have to define the problem. Second, list of possible alternative. Okay, so this is our options of decision. And then number 3, identify the possible outcome or state of nature. Okay, sun is an outcome or occurrence over which decision maker has little or no control. Meaning that sun or state of nature, that means naturally happen. Naturally happen. So, for example, kita boleh kata, example, demand. Okay, demand ni tak boleh kawal kan? So, demand is uncertain. So, uncertain. And then sales also uncertain. So benda yang kita less control. As a decision maker, we have either less control or no control at all. Okay, and then number 4, list of payoff or profit of each combination of alternative and outcome. Payoff or profit is called as a conditional value. So kat sini dia mention payoff ni adalah profit value. So kita kena ingat dalam ni adalah nilai profit. Okay, paling mudah equation untuk profit. Profit equal to selling price time quantity minus cost time quantity untuk dapatkan nilai profit. Okay, so easiest way to represent these values is by constructing a decision table or payoff table. So we have the first column represent our alternative, and then second column represent the state of nature, and then your decision will be at row. Okay, so let's say kita ada alternative 1, alternative 2. Sebab at least untuk decision theory, you have 2 alternative. Okay, so state of nature ni, for example, kita ada market condition. Okay, market condition sama ada good condition or bad market condition. Okay, number 5, select one of the mathematical decision theory model. So in our case, kita akan cover EMV or expected monetary value, EOL expected opportunity loss, and also we can calculate for EVPI. Okay, EVPI expected value perfect information. And number C, apply the model and make your decision. So this will be our optimal decision, meaning that only one final decision.